Everyone talks about 2020 as perhaps one of the worst years in humanity. While I look at OMLogic, this has perhaps been one of the finest years we have had. While the pandemic has been bad, it has given us time to think, time to innovate, time to come together as a team, and time to create new products, new services, new processes, and really put ourselves in a good position. As they say, with every disease, with every pandemic, with every disaster comes an opportunity to do something new, something creative, something big. That's what we are doing at OMLogic.
I think this year largely, overall worldwide, had been kind of depressing. But thanks to the extra share of happiness, supportive and stronger vibes that we had here, that for me has been the extra mile, personally and professionally. I hope we keep adding this newness, this variety and this energy in the coming months too, and enter 2021 with a bang and a lot more products and clients.
The one extra mile this pandemic has taught us is the spirit of working as a team and believing in ourselves. While the industry during current time has been going through the worst, we however made many extraordinary things. May the coming year bring us more fun and learning.
So the company has completed 11 years, and I think one extra milestone is that we did not have layoffs. Attrition rate बहुत कम था, which is a very good thing. Pay cuts नहीं थे, and then we shifted to a new place, of course, which is, I mean, it's pretty good, and it's our own place. That's also another thing which is amazing to know. I think this is what for me is one milestone that extra we conquered.
2020 has been a fabulous year for us. I have been asked this question, what extra mile we chased, but it's more than one extra mile. We have chased many miles so far, developed a couple of very interesting platforms with the help of our very talented and interested team. So, and they are game changer into their respective industries. Stay tuned with us, and you will let us know how we are growing into the field of virtual exhibitions and social media monitoring.
I feel इस बार का extra mile distance का extra mile है, and extra mile between the floors, extra mile of sound, and हाँ थोड़ी सी excitement और curiosity का भी extra mile.
My name is Divyansh, and I've recently, not recently, but this is my first job in OML, and it's around 6 months. और एक 1 mile which I've achieved is I've learned a lot of things, and one most important thing जो मैंने learn करी है वो है how to trend your hashtag on Twitter. That is Twitter trend, and I really like the most. And that's it.
My one extra mile is if I compare my company with my previous one, वहाँ पर I used to work with only one client, and वहाँ पर मैं इतना explore और ideas अपने share नहीं कर पाती थी. बट यहाँ पर I had realized that हम काफ़ी ज़्यादा अपने ideas, creatives, सब कुछ use कर सकते हैं. There is no limit. So this is my one extra
milestone in this company is very awesome. I'm actually working for Cartoon Network and Pogo. So I'm actually very happy that I have joined this company. And yeah, actually the office environment is a lot better, and it feels like me. So yeah, we can dance like this, or you can do anything you want, and obviously you are a creative person, so you can do anything. So yeah, that's a big milestone.
Hi, this is Alush. I basically do video editing and graphic, video 3D editing. But in this company, I did a lot of statics that and graphic designing much more. So I think this is my
मैं
extra.
ज्वाइन कर रहा था रिसेंटली, दैट वाज द पीक टाइम. आई डोंट नो कि कैसे काम वर्क होगा, बट फाइनली हमने वर्क टुगेदर किया और अपना जो भी टारगेट था वो अचीव किया. एंड जो मुझे इस ऑफिस में अच्छा लगता है वो ये है कि जब हमने जो वर्क हमें ऑफिस में मिलता है वो किसी सिंगल टीम के लिए नहीं होता, सबको ही अच्छे से करना होता है और सब अपना जो वर्क होते हैं बहुत ही अच्छे से करते हैं. सो मुझे यहाँ का जो एनवायरनमेंट है वो काफ़ी पसंद है.
I have recently joined OMLogic as a copywriter, and the one thing that I realized in this organization is that there is no micromanaging that happens over here. Everybody takes their responsibility seriously and works towards achieving their targets. Apart from that, I am finally a mile closer to where I want to be in my career, and that's my biggest achievement by joining OML Logic.
I'm Saurabh and part of calling team and यहाँ पे 1 month हो गए हैं और यहाँ पे मैं स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा टफ लग रहा था कि स्टार्टिंग में टारगेट मिला था कि अचीव कैसे होगा बट सीनियर के सपोर्ट के साथ साथ मेरा टारगेट इजीली अचीव हो चुका है जो कि मैं बहुत हैप्पी हुआ.
So one of the extra mile for me joining this company was like when the office got shifted from Rajendra Place to Daliaganj. Now I have to travel 30 kilometers instead of 10 kilometers. Okay, and moreover you can say over here the opportunities are very nice, good, and you have a lot of scope to explore new things, learn new things, and it's been good, an ongoing roller coaster ride which keeps on going, and let's see how it goes in the next few coming years.
Hi, my name is Mohammed Billah and I've been here around for 6 months. And if you talk about my extra mile that I've done with OML, I got a chance to work with multiple projects here, and that's what I want to do. Got a lot of learning and handling.